Okay, I want to show you how to remove, actually how to access the second RAM slot that is in this laptop. This is a HP 6360b Probook. So there's actually two RAM slots, one on the bottom underneath, and it's one underneath the keyboard. So I'm going to show you how to access the second RAM slot. So first thing you want to do is remove the battery. And you should always remove the battery no matter what you do. If you change in the memory, RAM, or adding any type of device or changing the Wi-Fi card, should always remove the battery. So here we go, like that. Then you remove the bottom plate. There you go. So basically there are four screws that you need to remove to remove the keyboard. Let's see, it's one right here. One, two, three, and four. So there's four screws. So I'm going to do this quick and remove it. So I'm going to start with this one. My mic on. Put my mic back on. I'm doing this in a hurry, so since I was working on this laptop today, I thought I'd make videos on how to, how to take this apart. So that's one screw, and these screws don't come out, so that's nice. They stay in there. Now you want to get to the second screw, which is right here. Make sure. Yes. There we go. Third screw. Okay, and the fourth screw right here. And I don't think you have to remove the hard drive. You can leave the hard drive in. There we go. So now what you want to do is just flip it over. Lift this up. And there you go. So now to remove the keyboard, I think it just slides up and slides down. One way. Oh, it just pops out. Yeah. There we go. I don't even have to use a tool. Okay, that's great. And there you go. And there's the second RAM slot. I have to remove it so you guys can see it. Let's see. Oh, here we go. And there you go. There's your second RAM slot. So right now I'm taking a RAM out of this Probook, and this was my favorite Probook. This was my daily driver, the 6360b. But since the screen was really messed up, the screen kept flickering, and the trackpad stopped working. I think I maybe waste some liquid on it or something. So I decided just to switch it and put my hard drive from here and my wireless card into my EliteBook 8460W, and it worked. So I'm going to take out the RAM, remove it so I could put it in my EliteBook. Yeah, so that's it. So there you go. This is 4 gig Dell RAM. So basically that's how you access your second RAM slot on your HP 63B Probook. Again, a lot of these parts are interchangeable with other Probooks and even the EliteBooks. And this is what I like about these style of laptops, the Probooks and EliteBooks. They share the same parts, they're interchangeable, and they work. And also, if you want to remove your CMOS battery, which actually I actually need to remove it because it's actually it's not working. I mean, it's just about dead, the battery, so I need to also change that, but it's right here. And as you can see, this is a different CMOS battery. Some of them has like a cable They like yellow. They have like a yellow covering and a cable that disconnects, but look like this one just uses a standard battery, you know, one of those standard flat batteries, and it just, I guess, pops out. But yeah, that's your CMOS battery right here, and your second RAM slot. There's something I just noticed. Wow. Hey, let's take a look at this here for a minute. Look at this. I believe this is actually a mSATA slot. Wow. Look at this. I never knew this. No. Uh, you know why? It might actually, it may be a wireless card. You know, a wireless card for having your own internet data card to get data. I don't see the cable, so no, this one doesn't use cables. So if there's no cables, that means this is actually used as a memory card. You could buy those wireless data cards, which fit the same way the hard drive or the solid state cards fit. But this one is not made for no wireless data card or wireless adapter. Look like it's made for a hard drive. Yeah. So maybe you might be able to put a mSATA card in here, and if you can, that's really cool. I just noticed this, you know. And my EliteBook has one of these, but I think they actually put a what do you call it, an M.2 card. This is actually look like an mSATA, and the one in EliteBook is actually a M.2. So yeah, that's really cool. I had no idea. So if you actually have one of these Probooks, let me know. You know, I have to look it up. I have no idea. I had no idea that it came with a slot for mSATA card. That's really cool. So you could actually add a second hard drive or a third hard drive to this laptop. So I'm gonna have to check that out. Like I said, I had no idea that this was on this laptop. That's really cool. So that's about it, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna continue to try to fix this or rebuild this, you know, get a new screen eventually, and fix the trackpad. You know, maybe I'm hoping it's just a driver issue, but if it's not, I might scrap it, you know. But that's about it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.